To view the Semrush Social Media Toolkit, start by logging into your Semrush account. Once you are logged in, navigate to the top menu bar and click on the Tools option. From the drop-down menu, select Social Media Toolkit. This will take you to the Social Media Toolkit dashboard where you can access various social media management and analysis tools. The Social Media Toolkit is divided into several sections including Social Media Tracker, Social Media Poster, Social Media Analytics, and Social Media Auditor. The Social Media Tracker allows you to monitor your competitors' social media performance and track your own social media metrics. The Social Media Poster enables you to schedule and publish social media posts across multiple platforms. To get started with the Social Media Tracker, click on the Setup Tracker button and enter the social media profiles you want to track. You can track your own social media profiles as well as those of your competitors. Once you have set up the tracker, you can view detailed analytics and insights on your social media performance, including engagement metrics, follower growth, and content performance. The Social Media Poster allows you to create and schedule social media posts in advance. To use the Social Media Poster, click on the Create Post button and select the social media platform you want to post on. You can then add your post content, including text, images, and links. You can also schedule your post to be published at a later time. The Social Media Analytics section provides detailed insights into your social media performance, including engagement metrics, reach, and clicks. You can use this data to refine your social media strategy and improve your overall social media performance. The Social Media Auditor helps you to identify areas for improvement in your social media strategy, including content gaps, engagement opportunities, and audience insights. By following these steps, you can effectively view and use the Semrush Social Media Toolkit to manage and analyze your social media presence. Remember to regularly track your social media metrics, schedule engaging content, and analyze your performance to optimize your social media strategy.